Hulaan nyo kung saan kami magla-lunch. Nag-crave kami ng fried chicken. Buti na lang talaga may Tom Sawyer na dito sa Quezon City. Located nga pala ito dito sa Congressional Town Center Arcade. Medyo malaki rin yung branch nila rito and you can actually reserve this for a private function like birthdays. Ito nga pala yung menu nila. Pause nyo na lang kasi marami silang new items. We ordered the chicken chowder soup which is creamy and chunky. Of course, hindi mawawala ang fried chicken. We ordered a 2-piece chicken meal and if you're a sweet and salty lover, you can order the chicken and waffle. Kita nyo naman ang laki ng chicken pieces nila. The skin is crispy and the meat is tender and juicy. Ang sarap din ng gravy, bagay na bagay sa chicken. The waffle naman is soft and fluffy. Perfect partner ng fried chicken. Something new on the menu is this fish sandwich. As you can see, thick and crispy ang fish fillet. May cheese and coleslaw din nakasama. And with crispy fries on the side. For dessert naman, we had brownie gelato a la mode. Ito yata ang pinakagusto ni Twinkle dito eh. Thank you for watching. Bye!